Hello viewers, in this session we're going to learn about how to read a semi-structured file which contains the values are separated with the different special characters. And this is the file which we're going to read and the values in the file which has been separated with the pipe symbol. Right. So just going to create a simple Scala object as going to mention the object name as a readsc. Going to create a Spark session. Builder.master master as a local, set app name as a read sc dot get directory. So now we have created the Spark session. Now we're going to load the file into Spark session with the help of read dot format with the Databricks library which is available. com dot databricks dot spark dot csv dot load, and we need to assign this value into some dataset value object equal to. So this is the file which we're going to read, right? So we need to get the path of this file. We need the complete path, so I have copied. I'm just going to paste it inside the load, and I need to define the file name, right? Special underscore a character dot txt. And I need to replace all these files. Yes, done. And we need to see the values. Data set, right? So with the help of the show function, you can see. So now we have into some custom delimiter. So we have to define what is the delimiter. Delimit, and the delimiter is pipe, and we have to define the header as well. So otherwise, we can. It's something difficult to identify which column is. So if we define the header as true, in the sense the Spark automatically will consider the first row as a header. And so if we don't want to see all those fields in the table, so we want to see only the top three, in the sense top any numbers we can use. So now I'm going to give 3, and we want to see all the values in the data set, in the sense we don't want to do any kind of truncate. So we can make it as a false, otherwise the default function is true, so it will do truncate. So I'm just going to run this program. So it start building. So workload is completed. Let's see. Yeah. So we can able to see that entire data. So which means, so we have defined as a false, so there is no truncate happen, and we have defined it's a 3, so we can see only 3 values in the table, I mean in the data set. And so the values in that file is differentiated with, I mean the separated with the pipe symbol. So we can see comma separated file beanstalk lambda. Fine. So now I'm just going to show some different delimiters. Now I'm going to replace with symbol. Okay, just I'm doing it randomly. So we going to run. Let's see. So the logs are generated. Let's see the output. Yeah, it's perfectly working. So the the delimiters are separated delimiters are working fine. So while working with the delimiters, so we need to bother about as a backslash. So if you have the backslash, in the sense we have to enter 4 backslash, and then here we have to change into backslash. So here, there is a single backslash, but here is a 4. So otherwise, if we not define the 4, we could be able to, we will get some errors. So we have to avoid it. I have defined the 4 slash. And so in the Spark, they have provided excellent work, so the separation, the delimiters, all the, I have tested with all the special characters with the delimiters, which is working perfectly, it's working. So it's a very good library for the data analytics. So let's see what is the output. Yeah, great. You can see. So C1, C2, C3, comma separated. Okay, great. So if you have doubts or clarification, please post it in the comment section. Thanks for watching.